In this video, I'll show you how to move files and folders in Google Drive step by step. If your drive is messy or you want to organize your files better, this full guide will show you how to move documents, photos, and folders easily. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your account. To move a file or folder, right-click on it and select Move To. A new window will open showing all your folders. Choose the folder where you want to move the file, then click Move. You can also drag and drop files or folders directly into another folder. Just click and hold the file, drag it to the target folder and release it. If you want to move multiple files at once, hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click each file you want to move. Just click and hold the file, drag it to the target folder and release it. To move an entire folder, right-click the folder and choose Move To. Then select the new location and confirm. Moving files and folders helps you organize your drive, find documents faster, and keep your storage clean and structured. That's it. That's how you move files and folders in Google Drive using simple methods. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Google Drive and computer tutorials.